We will talk about social research. First, we will have a discussion about the meaning and definition, then scope of social research, some overviews of social research, and purpose of social research. First, meaning and definition. A systematic search for an answer to a question or a solution to a problem is called research. It is very clear that every human's mind, some curiosity and some thinking processes emerge every time, every second, every day. People are thinking and people are measuring some questions. People are asking some questions and the questions arises in people's mind. But if we have some example such as what are the stars, why day and night alternate, how is rain formed, and why the mode of life and activities of human beings vary from place to place. This type of questions arises in human minds every second. We are very much curious. Whenever such questions arises, we seek answer. We try to find out solutions. And seeking answer to the question and finding solution to the problem have been the basis of human progress, which is called social research. We can also say that a systematic search for an answer to a question or a solution to a problem is called research. A systematic investigation. Social research have a systematic investigation to investigate societal phenomena, economical phenomena, demographical phenomena, and related phenomena. Actually, research is a simple and it is a process of arriving as dependable solution to a problem. It is a systematic investigation to collect the verbatims and to collect the data, analyze the data and interpretation of data, and most importantly, make certain generalization. The process involved to make generalization may be considered as a social research. Research is the most important process for advancing knowledge, for promoting progress, and also to enable man to relate more effectively to his environment, to accomplish his purposes, and to solve his conflicts. Although it is not the only way, it is one of the most effective ways of solving problem. Once we have the process to get solution, may consider we are involving in social research. An effort, an inquiry, thinking process, thinking and again thinking process may considered as a social research. Here I try to bifurcate research, and we found two words included in research. First is re and second one is search. Re means again and again. It is very simple, again and again. And search means to find out something. So, the research is a process of which a person observes the phenomena again and again and collect the data. And on the basis of data, he draws some conclusion as well as generalization. Is called research. An overview. When we deals with social phenomena, same process become social research. When we talk about the overview of social research, which involve observation, again and again observation, means verification, systematic verification, collect some verbatims, some data from the stakeholders, analyze the data, and conclude about pre-desired objectives. Make certain generalization. Certainly, the research seeks to find out explanation to unexplained phenomena. Also to clarify the doubtful propositions and to correct the misconceived fact. It simply means a search for fact, answer to question and solution to the problem. The search for fact may be made through either arbitrary, means unscientific method, or scientific method. When we talk about the unscientific or arbitrary, we must understand that arbitrary method of seeking answer to the question is based on the imagination, blind belief or impression, which is very inaccurate, and this is not considered as a social research. What we understand social research means, it is a scientific method. It is a scientific method which deals with systematic rational approach to seeking facts. It is objective, precise, and arrives at conclusion on the basis of verifiable evidences. Hence, research is systematic and logical study of an issue's problem or phenomena through scientific method. We have here definition given by very renowned scientist. Firstly, we will have P.V. Young statement related to social research. She said that social research is a scientific undertaking which by means of logical methods aims to discover new facts or old facts and to analyze their sequences, interrelationship, causal explanation, and natural laws which govern them. She very clearly stated that any logical method, any logical effort, any systematic effort, any scientific effort, which aims to discover new fact, to get some enhancement in the old facts, definitely analyzes sequences between theory and facts, interrelationship, correlationship, regression between dependent and independent variables, cause and effect relationship, which might be more responsible for a phenomena being occurred. When we have definition according to other thinkers, we have Morry, who stated social research as any organized inquiry designed and carried out to provide information for solving a problem. Means any organized effort, any systematic effort which is pre-designed and which is carried out to provide information to solve a problem. He emphasized solving a problem, an effort by which we can solve a problem. That effort may be considered as a social research. Then we have Kerlinger. He stated social research as a systematic, controlled, empirical and critical investigation of hypothetical relations among natural phenomena. He has given emphasis to hypothesize, to formulate hypotheses, and to correlate some theory and facts. He also emphasized empirical and experience-based effort. Then Redman and Morry has defined systematic effort to gain new knowledge we call research. Any systematic effort, any systematic inquiry which provides new knowledge may be considered as a social research. Now we will discuss about the characteristics of social research. When we discuss about characteristics of social research, we must understand that social research based on scientific method. It is a systematic, rational approach to seeking fact. It is objective, precise, and arrives at conclusions on the basis of verifiable evidences. Hence, research is systematic and logical study of an issue's problem or phenomena through scientific method. So, the main characteristics of social research, it is a systematic and critical investigation to a phenomena. It aims at interpreting and explaining a phenomena. Means when we considered Weber-Westerhans, which means to interpret, that is true for social research. We may also consider that is the methodology, Westerhan is the methodology, but method. But thing is that any effort, any systematic effort which provides you solutions may be considered as a social research. The next characteristics of social research is it adopts scientific method. We have 12 scientific steps which has to be followed by the researcher. That is called scientific method. It is based on empirical evidences and observable experiences. It develops generalization, principle or theories. It is a theory builder. The main characteristics of social research is it is a theory builder. Whatever theory we are reading nowadays, that is based on the social research. Means if the Weber has given some ethics related to Protestant and Catholic, that is entirely based on the research which we are reading nowadays, and we try to understand why they are developed and why we are developing. Certainly, definitely we have a very good ethics in our country, but do we follow? This is the matter of inquiry, this is the matter of research. The main characteristics of social research to establish cause and effect relationship. Cause and effect relationship means if the phenomena occurred, there might be several factors, there might be several reasons. And to establish relationship between cause and effect may considered as a main characteristics of social research. And the last but not the least, the main characteristics of social research is to generalize about social fact, social phenomena. Now we will discuss about the purpose of research. The purpose or objective of research are varied, and they are: research extend knowledge of human being, social life and environment. We are very much understand where we are very much examine how humans are surviving, how human beings are keep changing according to certain phenomena, certain processes. What is the standard of living and how it correlates to the environment. Research reveals the mysteries of nature. Research establishes generalization and general laws and contribute to theory building. We are very much assured that the main purpose of any social research is to build a theory. Means generalization, the process of generalization itself is a theory building process. Then research verifies and tests existing fact and theory. It is obvious that when we are conducting research again and again, it verifies, it validates, it reliable existing knowledge. Certainly, research helps us to improve our knowledge and ability to handle the situation. The main purpose of any social research is to improve our knowledge, and also it help us to help us to handle the situation. It gives the direction of better surviving. It gives the direction of accommodating ourselves. So that's all. We will have next video. Thank you very much.